First thing I have to do is take down the existing ceiling fan. It should be pretty easy to take down. You just gotta remove the cover that covers the top up at the ceiling. I'm gonna take down the ceiling fan.
Dun dun dun! It looks like the screw on this side. Oh, there you go.
So now I can disconnect the electrical wires. I've already turned the electricity off, so I'm not going to electrocute myself. Disconnected. Alright, my electrical is disconnected, so now there's just 2 screws that hold this whole assembly to the ceiling. Once I take those out, the fan will come down.
Just a little sneak peek. Super modern. And you like it, right?
I like it a lot. This light comes with a remote so that you can change the color of the light from like 3000 to 5000 Kelvin. So you can go from like a soft white to a daylight brightness. Thanks.
Welcome.
So up here there's a piece of wood that the old ceiling fan was screwed into through this bracket. I don't have any holes that line up with that, but I can very easily drill out through this metal bar. So in this metal plate, if I was to drill through these 2 holes right here, it would fit perfectly into the slot that's up there in the bracket. So I'm just gonna go drill out these holes real quick, and then I should be able to install it, no problem.
That looks secure.
It is. It's very secure. Where you want it height-wise.
I will do my best. Well, we know it's not that long. Do you want to do an estimate with your hands? Yeah, it might even be a little bit higher than that, but that's a good start. The bottom of your hands.
Okay. To adjust the length, you basically just push this little knob in, and then you can pull this through to the top. And that works the same way for these other cables as well.
I'm not sure it's even.
It's okay. ground installed. Those leads were just too long, so when they were in this little connector, there was exposed wire sticking out, which could have led to a short circuit.
Oh,
So,
good idea to fix that.
all right, I need your hands again.
Okay. To lift it up?
Yep. Also bring up those screwdriver bits, please. Please stand up, please. Thanks. Here, you're gonna go. It was light. Now, with this light, it's full bright right now. I can dim it.
Show us. Does it need batteries?
I can change.
Oh, that's so bright. Oh! Ooh, I like that color.
You can,
I like the warm.
you can scale it to any point in between.
Yeah, let's leave it there. The warm.
Like right there. Maybe there.
Honey, do you like your chandelier?
I do. I like it a lot.
Okay, good.
And then you can just go nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime.
Can you make it warm? On that one? Yeah. Cool. My son called me outside because this moved and everything fell out. So all of my starts that are here are tomatoes, little tomato plants. And then over there are some tomatoes and some cucumbers. And I'm really sad, but I'm gonna try to put them in the ground right now and see if I can help these little guys survive. This is the current state of my little garden. The strawberries here are not doing great. Only 1, 2, 3 of the 25 started. And then these peas just need to be harvested. There's not that many, but I would like to get as many as I can. And then I need to pull this out, even though it's nice and green, but this is my only space for the tomatoes and the cucumbers. Potatoes are doing great. So yeah, this is gonna completely transform. Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.